Hey everyone, it's Jason with Do You Know Drones. I'm just going to do a quick review of this Dualgram dual camera app. Super handy for vlogging. I'm just going to go through some of the basic features. I am going to go to the Commercial UAV Expo September 7th through 9th in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm planning on doing some vlogging there. So I was looking for an app that would allow me to record both the front and back cameras. And with the new iOS software update back in September, we are able to do this with a newer iPhone. So I have an 11 Pro Max, so it allows me to do record both front and back cameras. So this is a pretty handy little app. It allows me to sort of see myself. I can take a look at, I can change the zoom on the front-facing camera. There we go, kind of zooming in and out. You can see I'm doing some work on my my last podcast with Quasi Perry. Really easy to kind of scroll back and forth, pardon the mess a little bit. I can also scroll through the different layouts just by using my finger. So this is really handy. So right now it's in portrait, but I can also change it to landscape just by rotating the phone. And the ability to sort of scroll through these layouts is super handy. I can even change where I am on the screen just by holding down on the layout button, selecting the location where I want myself to show up, and here I am. I put myself up here. Boop. Hey, what's going on? So super duper handy. There's even a teleprompter, which I thought is super duper handy. Yep, even has built-in teleprompter, super handy for delivering prepared script during any broadcast, which I like doing. You can see that I use a teleprompter during my podcasts as well as the Parrot teleprompter. Fill it with text, and it'll scroll along at a readable rate while you record. How does the scrolling work? Glad you asked. Just scroll down with your finger, or you click the T icon on the taskboard, and down we scroll. Super handy. So that's just a quick review. You can even save the back camera video and front camera video as separate videos. Built-in stabilization, you can mirror the front camera in composite, and you can remove the teleprompter. Super duper handy. The Pro is only $7.99 for life. So that is super duper handy, and I can see using this. I can't wait to use it during the Commercial UAV Expo. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. If you're going, I hope to see you there. And this is Jason, just a quick little video, and I'm out.